Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and my brother-in-law just got the Geforce RTX 3080 Nvidia graphics card. As you can see right here, he just got it, and we're going to open it up and do an unboxing review of it, not a review of installing it or anything like that at this time, just a review on us opening the box and seeing what we got up inside. So let's open up the box and see what we got. So there's two stickers over here. We're gonna cut right here. Actually, let's just do a close-up of the box. Oh, sorry. So they can see it like that. And then the back, just in case they want to see what the back looks like. All right, so that's what the back looks like. So let's cut it on open. What the hell? Oh, it's broken. It's okay, I think I can still use this part. No, I can't. Do you have anything? Let's see if I can use this.
Keys.
Okay, yeah, that worked. Okay. Okay, yep, that worked. Perfect. All right. So we're gonna fold it over like this, and hopefully it's just gonna slide right out. There we go. Comes out just like that. Can we see it like that? There we go. So that's what it's gonna look like in the box, pretty much, when you were gonna take it out, just like that. And then you're gonna work on me like this, right? You just pull it out like this. Okay, so here's what it is right here. Is what it looks like. There's all your cooling and everything like that, and I guess this is made for cooling as well, right? That's why there's all these slits in here to help keep it cool while it's running.
That's right.
Right.
And one fan is the what do you call it?
Oh, there's two. Oh, there's two fans.
So
Got it.
One fan is bringing air in, and one fan is
So it's
bringing
blowing it
out.
across. So it cools it like right across and cools the
Right.
components, because I guess one here and one here. That's pretty cool. So this is where it plugs in. What's that?
Yep, that's just the PCI Express connector.
All right.
Standard
On all the video cards.
on all computers.
All
yep.
computer like that. Okay. So let's put that back on so there's no dust on there. Okay. All right, so that's just an unboxing review, quick review of what you can expect after opening up the box and checking it out, and that's about it. That's all we got for Glen Velvet Reviews right now. We'll do an updated video later on, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Please subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures on everything else I like to review. And thank you for watching. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Have a good one. Bye-bye, everybody. All right, everyone, I forgot to open up the box on the bottom because I was too interested in the video card, and that was it. So there is an accessory box that comes at the bottom of it that I did not get to point out before. Sorry about that. So it looks like there's a tab. You just pull up. There you go. Just pull right up. Opens up like that. Here is the quick start guide that you got. You got the support guide in here as well. I don't know who's going to read all that, but you never know. Then we got some kind of warning label that comes on here, and then here is, what's this called?
It's to split the power into the video card. So they made it so you only need one cable going in. And
This
then
goes in here like
splits.
this.
That's right.
And then these two, oh, it needs double power? Is that what, why is it two, not just one?
Most video cards that consume a lot of power already come with two connectors, so you
Okay.
can connect two. But for some reason, Nvidia did this with this model.
Just as a new technology, it's supposed to make it
That's-
run more efficiently, or
No, it was just the
power
design.
it better? Or just the design that they made?
Just
Okay.
the design.
All right, so yeah, it just plugs in just like that, and then here's like a little harness to power it. And that was all that was in the box at the bottom of it, so just to let you know, that was more complete of the unboxing. And then now we're finally done, and that is it, because there's nothing else in the box as I can see. Nope, nothing else. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews, and thank you everybody for watching. Any comments or questions, post them down below. Subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures of everything I like to review and that we get. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.